Hey there guys, hope you guys are well. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, I just want to show you the correct method how you can actually flip a $1,000 account to $1 million. I want to show you the exact method, the mindset, the strategy, everything involved, all the different elements that you need to understand, because I know a lot of you have small accounts and you're trying to make something big out of those small accounts, but a lot of what you're seeing on YouTube is just designed to make you fail, you know, the strategies and the risk management. So I want to show you all the elements involved and show you exactly how you should be doing it and the correct method involved. Trading with really small lot sizes with good risk management and a very calculated trading plan in order for you to make it happen. So stick around guys, please like and subscribe if you found value in this video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this done and make 2023 a much better trading year for you. Catch you on the inside guys, see you now. Okay guys, so this account started off on $1,000 and now it's sitting at 1,356. This is a live account, as you can see. I'm just going to take you over now to the history, and I'm going to take you back to when the account started. So I started this account on roughly around the 2nd of December, and now is the 8th of January. So now we'll just let this load. So you can see the profit. So the deposit was $975. The profit's $397, which is basically $400. So you can see the balance now is 1,356. These are all the trades that I've taken. You can see all the lot sizes are very small lot sizes. The biggest lot size here was 0.06, was a little bit too heavy for this. But I'm averaging, you know, about a 0.03 on average. All right, you can see all the profits, and also the overnight holding costs. Very minimal overnight holding costs on some of the trades. You see 30 cents, 15 cents. A lot of you are worried about the overnight holding costs, but they're very minimal, except when you're trading the NASDAQ and stuff. But even on the NASDAQ, you're paying about $1.30. You can see a few of the losses as well. At the bottom here, only very minimal losses. As you can see guys, live account. So I'm going to take you over and show you a couple of the trades that I took, or I'm going to show you one of the trades. I haven't been recording many of the trades because I've been very focused on this account. This isn't my main account. This is just a small account, and I just want to do this to show people that it is possible to flip a small account to a big account. Just using correct risk management and just being careful with your lot sizes, using very small, well, as small as possible lot sizes, paying attention to your lot sizes and trading off the higher time frames. Okay guys, so you can see here a gold setup that I took off the higher time frames, just at a 0.02 lot size. As I've been explaining to you guys, I'm taking all my setups off the higher time frames, such as the H4. Now you'll see the profit shortly, $40. You can see that's a big actual gain on this account, $1,000 account. If you think about it clearly, 0.02, that's a 3.5% or so on this account. I've been taking a lot of these sort of setups and just looking for 20 to 30 pips, guys. Not much, just looking for 20 to 30 pips and then getting out, and just compounding those small gains, those small gains as the account grows. I'll be looking for longer setups further down the line as the account grows, looking for more pips as I can split my lot size up. So this is pretty awesome, guys. Okay, so guys and girls, so coming here to a standard calculator and also a compound interest calculator. Let's start with the normal calculator. You can see here that I made 397.56, right? So if we divide that by the balance, the starting balance, which was 975, times it by 100. Okay, so this is the percentage gain that I've already made on the account. So I've made 40% already on the account over the past month and 1 week, so 5 weeks. Right now, if you come to a compounding interest calculator, and this is where people get it wrong. People try to double their account every week or every second week, but if you gradually slow it, even this is a bit too aggressive the way that I've been trading. I can tone it down and I can even trade with lower risks. So I just want to show you guys a very important point here. So let's just say we've started with $975. Okay, you can see there I made 40% on the account. So you can see over here I made 40% on the account, but I'm going to bring that even further down. Let's just say I do 30% a month. All right, let's just work it on 30%. If I do this over the next year, and if we change this to monthly, okay, so we got $975 starting balance, 30% monthly. We click on calculate. You can see by the end of the year, I'll be on $22,715 if I do 30% a month only. All right, which is a little bit heavy, but you know it is possible if once you know what you're doing. You can see here's the interest breakdown. Now let's look at it over 2 years. This is absolutely shocking, guys. Look over 2 years. If I just do this over 2 years, let's click on calculate. Now you can see the difference. So starting with $1,000 or $975 after 2 years, doing 30% a month, I've actually made $500,000. Right, starting with, this is compounding interest. This is the thing that people don't understand. This is why you need a trading plan and to grow your account gradually. Don't try flip your account every week and try to do crazy things with your account. Just take small lot sizes as I've been doing and gradually grow your account each, and have monthly goals. Have weekly goals of a couple, 5 to 10% or whatever, and then monthly goals of like 30%. Weekly goals, not so much, maybe 5 to 6% a week. You can see the breakdown here after 2 years, $500,000, guys. The full breakdown is here if you want to pause it there and actually look over the video or look over those calculations. Let's see over 3 years. If we carry on over 3 years, $12 million, guys, $12 million. That is crazy. So people don't have a trading plan. You know, they don't have any trading plan. Let's 2 years and 6 months. So $2.5 million over 2 years and 6 months, guys, doing 30% per month. So what I'm saying is you need to break down your trading percentages, your trading goals in terms of percentages, and have a calculated plan. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just trade light, guys. Just trade light. You know, even if you do 15% monthly, it's $64,000 after 2.5 years. You know, so you got to have, let's look at 20%. That's $231,000, guys. 20% monthly. So that's why your small account grow it gradually, guys. Have a compound interest. Understand compound interest. Have a trading plan in terms of compound interest. Don't be in a rush. Give yourself 2 years, 5 years, whatever. Imagine you just did 15% a month. Let's do this over 5 years. You need patience, guys, and to trade small in order for you to reach your actual trading goals. $4 million, guys. Check over $4 million if you do 15% monthly over 5 years, starting with $1,000. Hope this video helped, guys. Hope you got some good ideas from this. Grow your account gradually and you'll reach your trading goals. Trade small, trade off the higher time frames. I'm going to be going more into this in future videos. I'm going to give you updates on the account. How it's going, and show you guys actually live proof that it is actually possible. Okay, if you grow your account gradually with low risk and have a trading plan, and be more patient, set goals of 2, 3 up to 5 years with trading. Don't be in a rush. Don't try flip accounts quickly. It's not worth it. Over leveraging causes you to blow up, so you don't need to do that. Catch you in the next one, guys. Hope this helped. Bye.